Sharma, son of Pandit Dheeraj Kumar Sharma, resident of village Mulapada, district Sangrur, and student of grade 3rd in New Model Senior Secondary School, village Chaunda, district Sangrur. I am trying to improve my general knowledge with the help of my teachers and parents. Today I would like to answer the topic of animal and bird. So get ready guys, here Ram Sharma is coming with general knowledge.
My name is Gori Sharma, daughter of Pandit Dheeraj Kumar Sharma, resident of village Mulabadda, district Sangrur, and the student of grade 6 in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Longowal. Today I am asked to some question to him. Which bird does not make its own nest? Which bird can run faster than horse and roar like a lion?
Ostrich.
Which bird cannot fly but can swim and dive?
Penguin.
Which bird can fly backwards and sideways?
Hummingbird.
Which bird can learn and speak up to 100 words?
Parrot.
What is the maximum heartbeat of a hummingbird per minute?
1200.
Very good. Living which tastes using its feet?
Butterfly.
Which living bird lays the world's largest egg?
Ostrich.
Which of the following is the smallest bird?
Hummingbird.
Very good. Which bird has no wings at all?
Kiwi.
How many years an emu bird can live?
60-70 years.
How far an owl rotates its head?
270 degrees.
Very good. Birds that migrate from North Pole to South Pole and back?
Atlantic term.
Which bird lays the largest egg in their brains?
Ostrich.
How many legs does a butterfly have?
6.
Which is the longest living bird up to 100 years?
Parrot.
Excellent. The largest bird alive is?
Ostrich.
Which bird is famous for guard like a tail feather?
Peacock.
Which bird has more than 100 eggs in a nest?
Ostrich.
The bird who lays the smallest egg in the world?
Hummingbird.
How much total feathers swan have on average?
25,000.
The group of cows is called?
Murdar.
A group of owl is called?
Parliament.
A group of how many total species of birds are known?
10,000.
Which of the following bird has best vision in night?
Owl.
How many wings does a butterfly?
4.
Which creature make honey?
Honeybee.
Which bird has biggest eye among all birds?
Ostrich.
Which bird do dance in rain?
Peacock.
Very good. Which bird can stand and even sleep horse on one leg?
Flamingo.
Thank you.